Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have got Birchbox to share with you, and this is the March box. Look how gorgeous that design is. I love it. So this is Birchbox UK and it costs £12.95 a box, and that includes shipping. Inside you get 5 beauty items and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup, nails, and sometimes we've had like makeup brushes and things like that. So say for instance you see my box and you think, oh, I really want it. You might not get the same items as me. We all roughly get say 2 to 3, but then you might have 1 or 2 that is completely different. So bear that in mind when you're watching this video. So Birchbox has an online store, and if you subscribe for 6 months or more, you become a VIP, which entitles you to receive discounts off their like limited edition boxes, but also to have a discount off anything you buy online as well. I do believe that you are entitled, maybe, is it 10% even if you subscribe, but then when you become a VIP subscriber it goes up to 20 or 15%, something like that anyway. And also when you become a VIP you get a makeup bag. So I've been dipping in and out of Birchbox now for a couple of years. I started subscribing over 4 years ago and I had a bit of a break over the last year or two, so I decided to come back because a lot of you have been requesting it, wanting to know my thoughts and to see what I get, so I thought I would bring it back to my channel. Some boxes are better than others. Unfortunately, you can't help but compare to other subscription boxes of very similar price, and in Birchbox they are renowned for giving you quite small products. Some of them are full size, some of them are travel size, but we do get a lot of samples as well. Now, Birchbox aim is for you to try these products. If you like them, you go onto their website and you buy the full size versions. That is one of the main reasons I decided many years ago to start subscribing to subscription boxes, so that I'd be able to try new products out there and to find some favourites. So yeah, but you can't help but like compare to other subscription boxes that you get a value of like £80–90 or something like that. But no, clear mind, let's see what we got inside this box this month. So I'll give you a sneak peek first. The only card I've got is luxury embroidered homeware and personalised gifts. You can have 20% off at elizabethscarlett.com by quoting Birchbox 20. Oh, normally you've got a card and it tells you everything about the products, whether it's full size, it's sample sizes, how it's rated on Birchbox, and it also gives you the price. I'm gutted, I haven't got it. I'm sure this has happened to me before. Not often, but I'm sure it has happened to me. So this is going to be a very short video. So I'm just going to go through them, show you, and see if I can get any information on the back of them to share with you. So the first item is by Daily Concepts, and this is exfoliating dual texture scrubber. And this is a mild scrubber. From gentle to vigorous, this is mild. Clinically allergy and dermatologist tested, perfect for travel and all skin types. It is a really nice scrub. These type of scrubs I use in preparation for fake tan. I like to use body cream type scrubs, and I use them in the bath and in the shower. I do that quite often, but when it comes to fake tan I want a little bit more of an extra scrub, especially on like my elbows and knees and things. So that's when I opt for these, but other than that I don't really use them. You can see there you've got sort of the rough side there, and then you've got another side here which is like a towel in, it's quite soft, and you've got a little holder there so you're able to go up and down your skin like that. So I'll be giving that away because I've got a few of them already. No, it doesn't really say anything about it, but it's an exfoliating dual texture scrubber. Next we've got a product by Balance Me, and this is the Vitamin C Repair Serum, and we got 7 mils there. And this is tiny writing. Our award-winning zingy gel serum reduces pigmentation and uneven skin tone while boosting hydration, elasticity and texture. Directions: smooth serum onto cleansed face, neck and deck using gentle upward strokes. It says vegan and cruelty free. Now I do like this. I have tried this a few times. I've received it a few times in different subscription boxes. Anything vitamin C. Oh, I love it. I do love it. But I'm quite happy to receive that again because they're only small. They don't last long. 7 mils, they don't last long really. Number 4, High Performance Hair Care. It's a blow dry lotion, and we got 30 mils here. I've received this before as well, but I can't remember. Can't remember what it's like. Helps deliver weightless thermal protection and smooth long-lasting style support while maintaining equilibrium on this season's 6-inch heels. and distribute evenly through damp hair, blow dry as desired. And yeah, it's cruelty free and vegan as well. I wish I can remember. It might have been a couple of years ago that I received it, but I definitely recognise the packaging there. So we got a blow dry hair lotion. We got the sneak peek that was shown in last month's box, and this is Forgive Me Susie, and it's a liquid eyeshadow, and I've got it in shade Love Letter. Now I forgot to tell you actually, some of the items you can actually personalise to your own preference, and this is one of them. Say for instance if they're going to be adding a eyeshadow palette or a bronzer or a blusher or a lipstick or anything like that, sometimes they will say, right, you have got a choice between this shade and this shade, so they'll send you an email and then you have got the chance then to choose which one you want. If you don't reply, that you just get sent a random one. So I do like that about Birchbox, so you do get to choose the sort of shades that you go for instead of you receiving something that you know you won't wear. I can't remember what the other shade of this one is, possibly something more pinky, I'm not too sure. I always go for coppers. I'm quite boring, stick to what I know, isn't it? So this is a liquid eyeshadow. Wow, reminds me of the Stila ones. Whoa, you see there, like a gold metallic. That is lovely. Vegan friendly and cruelty free. So we got that. And lastly, tucked in the corner, we have got a liquid eyeliner by the it's by the Beauty Crop, and it's Wing Woman. I'll just get that out of the packaging off. This box, besides the liquid eyeshadow, just seems to be full of like familiars, repeats for me, but I can't tell you if they're repeats on Birchbox. If you think they are repeats of Birchbox, please let me know down in the comments. But yeah, it's definitely repeats. I've had this before. And I do love liquid eyeliners. I go through them like anything. And some I absolutely love, but then like a couple of weeks into loving them, I don't know, they stop working, or I'll show you one at the moment. This is an Ico London one, Black Magic. How annoying is that? How annoying. I can't get it down. I don't mind getting repeats of black liquid eyeliners. So what can I tell you about it? It's vegan and cruelty free, and yeah, it seems to be a nice eyeliner. It is nice actually. It's very, very fine tipped. Lovely, really, really nice. So you can see there. But yes, but those are all my items. I'll just gather them all up. So I've got 5 in this month's box. Haven't got a clue how much they cost, but the box cost £12.95. A bit gutted I didn't have the leaflet. I'd be giving that away because I've already got a lot of them. There seem to be quite a lot of different subscription boxes. I have had that before. Can't remember what it's like. Can't even remember if I've tried it. So yeah, I'll give that a go. Love this. This is really pretty as well, love the shade, and yeah, it doesn't want to come off, doesn't want to budge, so that's good. And then the vitamin C serum, I really like that. So altogether, an okay box. It's not a wow box, not a bad box, but an okay box. It's just, alright then, it's a little bit boring. That's my honest thoughts. It's a little bit boring. It's only because there's nothing like, wow, something new, something exciting to try. I'm glad I got it because obviously there's a few items there that I do really like. But yeah, there's nothing there totally exciting. But you know what? I am sure I have seen that there is a chance for one of you lot to get a Lumine product, and I absolutely love Lumine. It's a skincare brand. They do makeup as well. But oh, I would have loved to have that. As soon as I opened it, I was like looking out for it. It's a little blue pot, and I was like, oh, no, I haven't got the Lumine product, but never mind, never mind. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts as always. I'd love to hear what you had, if you had anything different to me, and if you got the Lumine pot. I'd love to hear. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.